to talk to you about energy. You see, energy is a pretty well defined concept in physics, but outside of physics, people very often misuse the word. You'll hear phrases like bad energy in a room or spiritual energy when talking about ghosts or personalities. And the problem is, of course, that none of these ideas have anything to do with measurable physical energy, the type of stuff that people in physics actually talk about. There's no unit or vibes in the laws of thermodynamics. Okay, if someone claims to sense energy without having any way to detect or measure it, they're not talking about physics. What they're really doing is using scientific sounding words to describe feelings. And while feelings are real, that doesn't mean that they have anything to do with actual energy.
Interesting doesn't mention what energy is in this case, which in scientific terms is the potential to do work. However, the definition of energy has changed over the years, and particularly in this case, it comes from the Greek, which can mean activity or movement. So realistically, someone could be sensing activity, and there are things that can be sensed that scientific instruments don't always detect. For example, there's saying that you can sense when someone's looking at you, and yet there's no scientific evidence that that can be measured. Realistically, there are some things that can't be measured because we don't know how. And just because we use the term energy does not mean we're trying to sound scientific.